Hi everyone, I'm just waiting for a few more people to come in. Please bear with me. Okay, so this is a really fast live. Yesterday I did a live on how I prepare my tumblers before I actually bake them. So today I'm going to show you some interesting ones that came out good, ones I messed up on. And all my lives will always be on my YouTube channel, which the link is in my bio to YouTube, in my link tree. So let me show you what I did yesterday. So I'm going to first show you the ones that came out pretty good. Okay, I'll show you that first. So this one here, it came out absolutely beautiful. My daughter-in-law wanted this. She lives in Georgia. She has a farm, and her cow looks just like this. It's beautiful. So this came out perfect. No ghosting, nothing like that. So this is one of the good ones. The second one is this one here, very tropical. I love it. It says it's 5 o'clock somewhere, and really nice. There's a little white on the one, but I liked it that way. I left it that way. And very pretty. Came out really good. Okay, so this is a really fast video. Just letting you guys know. This one here, I think it is adorable. It's the M&M crew. This also came out really cool. Okay. The next one is, this is a plain one, but I think it's so elegant and plain. You can use it actually for a wedding and have you put your bridesmaids or any type of party, I guess. Look how pretty. Came out also beautiful, no ghosting. Now, if you saw yesterday, I tried a new thing. I put a lot of tape along the top, whoever was on my live, a lot of tape along the bottom. Let's just invite to join live. So it worked, but it was really a pain in the butt. So I'm not doing that anymore. It took me like five to 10 minutes to take everything off that tumbler, and that's out of control. So I'm going to show you this tumbler. I messed it up the first time, and then I went in, I stripped it like you put it back in the oven, and it takes away most of, the paint and everything. And then I redid it, and it was just bad. So I said, what could I do? There has to be a way of, instead of throwing away your tumbler or putting it in the oven to smoke up, and then, so this actually came out good. So originally, the bottom part, if you look at it, it's so different. Originally, the bottom part was all hearts and lips. Okay, hearts and lips. So then I said, okay, I need to put something darker on that. So I put one that was really dark. Believe it or not, it was darker than this color here, but it sunk into, I guess, the background of all roses. And look what it created. I'm going to keep it, but it made a whole new design by combining both, one sublimation on top of the other. And it worked. They do sublimate. Even if you put a second one on top. So I don't know, I guess that's a good idea. Okay, so now those were all my good ones. I messed up 4, and these are like rookie mistakes because it was my first live yesterday. I guess I wasn't paying attention, put it that way. So these are rookie mistakes. I've already made other ones that came out perfect, but I'm about to go live. So this one here, I'm so upset. So if you saw me doing this yesterday, you should have stopped me. What I was doing was I rolled this on the sheet, but what I did wrong is see the tape marks all along the bottom. I taped it to the tumbler instead of taping it over the paper. So that got messed. But it's so pretty. Look how beautiful. So look at that. It's so beautiful. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't know if I'm going to strip it down or do put something on top and put glitter. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. So, but it's so pretty. I just don't want to throw it away. Again, I could keep this and just gift it to somebody. They don't, you know, family doesn't care about this. And it's, oops, swipe to filter your comments. Why? I don't know. I'm still learning this. So the next one is, I messed this up, and this is my favorite. This is the one I'm keeping for myself, but I have another sheet of these. So everything came out perfect, but again, look what happened. My tape that I put on the tumbler instead of over. So that was the only messed up part. Again, a rookie mistake, you know, but this is mine, definitely mine. And same here, everything came out perfectly. Okay, look how beautiful the colors, no ghosting, everything came out perfectly. And guess what? One tape that really kills me. I don't know what to do there. I was thinking maybe put something on there, like something cute, a vinyl, make something on my Cricut and put something there, like a vine, something like creepy. Oh, that's what I could probably do. Huh. That's what I could probably do. I'm going to salvage this one. And then the last one, guys. Big rookie mistake. I've done this 2 times already and pisses me off because I love this. So the upside down mistake, okay? It says, be kind to your mind. And I love this one. So it's upside down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to salvage the Wednesday one. I know what to do with that. So with these 3, what I'm going to do, oh no, this one I'm keeping for myself. So these 2, I'm going to buy, I saw it on one of my vendors. They have a complete black sheet, the sublimation sheets, and it has a little bit of sparkly to it. So I am going to cover this with it, either sell it all black or maybe add something on top of it, like do 2 sublimations, one on top of the other. So yeah, these are mistakes that I'm going to need to put sublimation on top of sublimation, which works. It does work. You saw it. It's right here. I have 2 different styles on top of each other, and you can't even tell it's 2 different styles. So yeah, so basically that's it. This will be posted tomorrow probably, and again, you can see all my lives on YouTube. The link is in my bio, in my link tree. Thank you guys for coming. Bye.